Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to start up a Telegram secret chat on your Telegram app. And if you notice today we have two devices. On this device, I'm going to show you guys how to start up a secret chat, and then on this other device, I'm actually going to show you how the secret chat works when you send a message to this person, what actually happens when you have that secret chat done on, and also everything that happened immediately after the person have received their secret chat message. All right guys, let's get into that. Now I'm going to start by opening Telegram from this phone first, and then I'm going to also do that on this device. Now, to start up a secret chat on your Telegram app, there are several ways to do that. Now, the first way is locate the person you want to chat or communicate with, which is this person right here. It's actually this other account here. Now, to start up a secret chat, you can either click on this menu icon, and you can notice where it has secret chat right there. Sorry, the secret chat is not there. Once you click on the person's profile name, click on this menu icon. Now you're going to notice where it has secret chat right there, just the second option before the bottom area. Now when you click on the secret chat, you can notice an option that displays that says are you sure you want to start a secret chat? So go ahead and click on yes, you want to start a secret chat. Now if this person is not actually online, it's going to tell you to wait for the person to come online. It actually does that once in a while if the person is not online. So once the person is online, it's going to display and the secret chat message is going to start. Now all you need to do is to send a message right now. Let me see. And then I just sent a message right now, and now I'm going to wait for it to respond to this particular area. Now you are going to notice right here is actually the normal message, and this one on top is actually the secret chat, which is the message I just received. If you notice, the exact number is this particular number that says newest MTN. Now if I click on that area, I can be able to respond to the person's message also. And then you notice the message has been replied. So what happens to this secret chat is actually very interesting. Now the thing is, if you notice right on this top section, it has a timer. When you click on that particular timer, you can be able to select different options. Like right now on default is set to this self-destruct, the message has been off. Now for some reason you can switch this to be 1 second. So when you switch this to 1 second, whenever you send the message, it will self-destruct after 1 second that the person have read that message. Now if the person didn't read that message within that 1 second, the message is still going to be there. Now let me show you guys that. So remember, it's going to self-destruct after 1 second, and if you notice right here, it just displayed and then self-destructed. Now if you notice on the bottom, it actually says that the message have been set to self-destruct after 1 second. Now let me go ahead and change that so that you guys will notice how it actually works. Make sure you click on the camera icon, on the profile icon actually. Once you click on the profile icon, it will enable you to select the right one. So let me say 4 seconds. So far the person is online and is receiving this message. After the person might have read the message, it's just going to take 4 seconds and it will self-destruct on both ends. Now let me show you guys another interesting things, guys. Now if I send this message while the person is offline, oh, I wanted to say GG. Okay, now I just sent this message and the person is actually offline. If you notice, the message have self-destructed right here, but it's actually still here. So if I keep sending the message while the person is actually offline and not reading the message will keep piling up until the person read it before it disappears. Now note that this message will not disappear if the person didn't read it until the person have opened that message, that it will only disappear. If the person haven't opened the message for once, it will never disappear. So the message is always going to be there for the person to check out. Now let me type more message so that you guys will get. So I just type in some couple of message, and if you notice right there, the message have been entering, but now it has compiled to 3 messages and I have not read any of them. Now if I eventually click on that particular message and read them, After some seconds, it's going to self-destruct. And if you notice on this particular area, I no longer have the message, but it actually took a while before it is self-destruct from this other end. That is because the person has been offline. Now, the reason or the way it actually works is if this particular message is not off, or if the person is not online, there is no way the person will receive the message, and there is no way the message will self-destruct. So the message is always going to be there for the person, and after the person must have read it, it's going to self-destruct. So there is a lot to do with a secret message, and everything you do on your secret message is not the same thing you do on your other message. Now, whenever you're done with the secret message, you can always go ahead and delete it. And actually, this message is actually on end-to-end message, so it doesn't save anywhere, it doesn't back up anywhere. If you delete your Telegram, this particular message goes away. It doesn't actually save forever. Now let me show you guys another way to start up a secret message. Now you notice this icon right here. When you click on that particular icon, it gives you an option to do a lot of things. Now you notice where is written secret message, right? Go ahead and click on that secret message. Now from here you can go ahead and scroll to select anybody that you want to start up a secret message with. But if for some reason you do not see the person right there, you can go ahead and search for the person's profile name, and I'm going to say Intrinsic. So there you go. Whichever name you type is going to display and pop up for you. So there you can start a secret message. It's very easy, and I hope you guys understand this. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. I will gladly answer to any of the questions you have for me. So please stay safe and make sure you watch my next video. Peace.